cannot, no point. Have power, but cannot spy. Can spy, think, can spy.
Isa lang. Go, continue. Isa lang, angat lang bola. Gawa tayo paraan, okay? Paraan lang. Okay, 1 point. Angat lang tayo.
You gotta love the way Eliza Valdez stays positive for her teammates. It's easy, di ba, for a captain, parang, let's look to the next one. But yes, Eliza, angat na natin yung score. Isa lang. You know, that's a great sign of how good a player she is.
When I remember the time when Eliza first made her move to play dito sa ating Shakey's Gilig, batang-bata pa si Eliza.
Exactly.
Mahihain pa itong si Eliza, of course, a recruit from UST.
That's right, and you know, I was about to say, when Marty Madag serves, it's good things happen to Ateneo, but the serve went out, so buti lang, hindi ko na sinabi.
Napasobra. Let's check out the huddle of Ateneo.
Why you stop? Stop. Service one there.
Okay, tayo. Mamasok pa tayo sa court, ha?
Hey,
Sa court.
only do. No looking. Defend. Get 1 point, ha?
Goal natin, wala masyadong babagsak na bola, ha? As much as possible, kahit mag-try tayo kung ano natin. Ha? Talk tayo, talk. Shout lang, ha? Okay. Isa, ha? Double time tayo. Hindi na may bibigay yung points natin. Pagkirapan natin.
At ang aming pong version ng Heartstrong from Trisha Robredo.
Happy being the battle cry. Ang sigaw nila, isa-isa lang. Guys?
Dumadami na, ha? Happy. Heartstrong.
Hindi lang isa.
Isa. Panaga punching that ball across. De Jesus going to Valdez. Cheng cross court for Melanie Torres. Good cover coming from Maraguinot. Valdez attacks and Valdez once again. Grabe ang power niya.
One more. My bad. Okay. Bantay na. Yeah. Let's go. John, pag hingi ka ng back row, ha? Let's get this one. Hey, girl. Last tayo. Hey, girls. Quick, one good. Okay. Gusto mo forward ka na?
Again, you know what was evident there was what Eliza Valdez was telling Joanna Maraguinot. Pag ganyan, hingi ka ng back row, ha? Imbis na with her error, parang huwag mo na bigyan. Diba? May ibang players gonna, but siya hindi.
Balasa.
And she's all really about motivation. That's why, you know, she's very endearing to her fans. And her teammates, for that matter.
Eliza Valdez is the picture of volleyball.
Yeah.
The face of volleyball.
The face.
In our country right now. And gandang ambassador. Siya rin ang ating flag bearer sa nakalipas sa Southeast Asian Games.
Yeah.
That's a big honor, definitely. Navarro counters for the Blazers. Valdez gets another serving from Tom. Fist pump equivalent to a 4-point lead. Ateneo 23, Blazers 19. 2 points from sending this match into a decider.
At the end of the day, si Coach Tay andyan to guide us, and yung teamwork talaga, it really works. So, ayan, teamwork works. So, yan lang siguro.